This video is specially for all the girls out there. Here you will learn how to improve the health of your uterus, and also at the same time it's going to help those girls who are looking forward for their pregnancy or they want to be mothers. Using herbs, acupressure points and color therapy, you will be able to heal the uterus problems, which can be the overflow or having fibroids or irregular periods or anything related to the hormonal issues. It's a very simple remedy. You have to buy some yellow marigold flowers, and then you have to remove the petals and dry them in sun. If it's not possible, then you can buy them ready-made, dried ones from a shop. Every day, twice a day, you have to boil at least 2 spoons of marigold leaves in a cup of water. And then it's just like you're making your green tea, same way, and you can have it in the morning and evening. You can take it for about 7 to 8 days. Marigold has very good healing properties, so if taken like a week prior from your periods, like when your periods going to start, so 7 to 8 days before you should have twice a day. Ginger is very effective for cleaning the uterus, so we can even boil ginger and make a ginger water. And marigold leaves can be brewed, need not boil them. You can just put them for some time in the strainer and put hot ginger water on it and keep it for some time, let it get brewed, and then have it. The points which we can use for color therapy in case of heavy flow or cramps are liver 2, liver 5, liver 8 and spleen 9 on your hands. Basically on your left hand middle finger. In case you have heavy flow or cramps, you should be applying only black color dots. Black sketch pen you can use, and you can put these dots on your fingers, preferably in the daytime. Let it be for as long as possible, and if not possible, then in the night put it and let it be there throughout the night. Tried and tested on a patient who had heavy flow and fibroids. She's relieved 80 to 85% in few days, like within a month or so there is a relief to her. So you can try and see how much relief you get. Very good points for less bleeding, delayed periods or no periods. You can use liver 2, liver 5 and liver 8 on your left hand middle finger, but use only red sketch pen. As shown in the picture, you have to put red color sketch pen on your left hand middle finger, preferably throughout the day, or at night when you are about to sleep. Let it stay for the whole night. This is the acupressure area which is being shown in the video. So you can keep pressing this area again and again. As many times in a day you do, it will help you. This is basically the area which covers uterus on your hands. So press it more to get the relief very fast. There's another way of giving acupressure. You can use clips which are used for drying clothes, which are easily available at home. You can give acupressure with the clips. With these two areas which I am showing you in the video, with these two areas, if you keep pressing with the clip, it will give you very good results.